Hello students and welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions to IIT JEE Advanced 2015 paper 1. The code which we are using is 4.
Okay students, let us now look at question number 12. Question number 12 is again a very conceptual question from organic chemistry. It relates to addition of HBr to an alkadiene. This is a alkadiene as you can see over here. Now we have been asked to predict the major product of this reaction. Let us try and look at what options we have. Now firstly what will happen is that on addition of H plus there will be a formation of a carbocation. Okay, so let us look at the solution on the next page. So this was the initial alkadiene which we have been given, and the moment I add H plus in the form of HBr, a carbocation will be formed. Fine. So the first carbocation, obviously the carbocation which is more stable is formed first. So I will get CH3, C, CH3, okay, and CH double bond CH2, and here will be a positive charge. So this is the carbocation which is a 3-degree carbocation which we are getting, and obviously there will be resonance also in this carbocation because there is a pi sigma positive conjugation. So now what will happen is that if I draw the resonating structure for this compound, for this carbocation, the resonating structure would be this pi bond shifts over here and we get CH3, C, CH3 double bond CH, CH2 positive. Okay, so these are the two carbocations which we are getting. Fine. And now if these two carbocations take up bromine, so the product from this carbocation I am writing over here would be CH3, C, CH3 methyl group over here. One bromine comes at this place, this is Br, and then CH double bond CH2. Okay, and if I add a bromine to this carbocation, the product would be CH3, C, CH3 double bond CH and a CH2Br. So if we now consider the products, this would be a 1,2 addition product. Why 1,2? Because the addition is happening at these two positions, 1 and 2. That is why we are calling it a 1,2 addition product. And then if you look at this product, hydrogen has been added here and bromine has been added here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a 1,4 addition product. So these are the two possible products. Now the question is that which of these products is the major product, because we have not been asked to predict all the products. We have been very specifically asked in the question to predict the major product. Now what happens at room temperature is that the reaction, see, you might have studied that there are two possible mechanisms for a reaction, that is a kinetic control which takes place at low temperatures, very low temperatures, and then there is the thermodynamic control. Thermodynamic control takes place at high temperatures. Okay, but in the question we have not been specified the room temperature. So whenever in chemistry we are not specified the room temperature, we take, see, there are two types of mechanisms of reactions. Firstly there is the kinetic control which is at low temperature, and then there is the thermodynamic control which is at high temperature. In case of kinetic control, what we do is that we form the product according to the more stable intermediate. So if you look at these two carbocations, that is, this is clearly a 3-degree carbocation and this is a 1-degree carbocation. So this carbocation is more stable, and since this carbocation is more stable, the product from the more stable intermediate is called the KTC, that is the kinetically controlled product. Okay, and if you look at the product from this carbocation, the product is more stable because it is a more substituted alkene. Fine, this alkene has a total of more substituted one methyl group here, one methyl group here, so obviously it has more alpha hydrogen. So this product is more stable. So this is the thermodynamically controlled product. Okay, thermodynamic controlled product. This is the thermodynamically controlled product. Now whenever the temperature is not specified, we can take that temperature to be the room temperature. But in case of HBr, what happens is that even at low temperatures, the product is thermodynamically controlled. So obviously the answer for this question would be 1,4 addition. That is, if I go back to the options, my correct answer would be D. That is the 1,4 addition product. Just to take you back, CH3 double bond, CH2Br, and similar product over here. So that would be the major product for the reaction. That is, my answer to the question would be D. Thank you.